Hello everybody, and welcome to the final video where I will actually show you the final project I will require to deliver. Of course I will not show the code, but instead I will show the functionality and what I will need actually from you guys and what need to be delivered, some milestones somehow or some objectives that you need to comply in this program. And I hope that everybody will like it and have fun during the process doing this. But before actually getting to that, I have a one final lesson, one final command that I want to show. That's something really simple, really easy, but really useful, and will be needed for the final project. So that's why I want to show that final program, final command. So I'm already in my C# folder. Let's actually do a .NET new console. Let's call it clear. By the way, this clear program, you don't need to do it. It's just to show you the functionality. That's it. So let me actually open code clear. Yes. And this is my clear program. So let me go to my terminal, open my CS files. I already here. So you know that I like how things a little bit simpler. That way I can leave it like that. Using tab to there you go. Then we execute the .NET run. Okay, perfect. So let's do a simple loop. Let's create a string word, and let's say while word is not equal to exit, you will do something. Okay, let's put this over here, and let's delete this one. And let's actually say the word equal to nothing, right? So this will not fail. Yeah, so this can be going back one level. This can go, and all this going up one level. Okay, yes. So let's say something really simple. Please write something. Let's actually change write for type. And let's say word equal console dot readline whatever we type, and then we say something as simple. You type it something. Oh, of course we need to do the oh my god, there you go, console dot writeline string interpolation, and let's say you type it. Let's put the double quotes, so with escape character, so to put this information inside, and the word is going to be inside. Okay, so that's going to be repeating until I type exit. That's going to be my exit keyword. So if I execute the .NET run, hello, from the other side, for example. Okay, if I type exit, you type exit and I get out. Perfect. That's a simple while loop from a word. I'm looking for that specific word in order to get out. But meanwhile, I'm clearing whatever I type. Well, let's actually do something here. So let's do a console dot clear. And this is the command that I want to show you. As you can imagine, what it does is actually clear the screen. That's it. So whenever we type, it's going to be clear, and this will be always on the top until we type exit. And let me show you the behavior. Instead of keeping record of something like this, let me show you actually what happened. So let's run. So hello from, and we can continue typing whatever we want, and it gives you like the reflection that the text is not moving and just changing whatever the text it is. That is why the clear function is doing for us. Until we type exit, we just get out from here. Things that we can do actually just before getting in, we can clear the screen just in case. Let's execute down the road. Please type something, please type something else, and whatever, and I have a better functionality. So this way, with the console clear command, we can actually clear the console and see whatever we are typing the way that we want to put it there. So this is the command that you will be using inside the final project. It's really important. So let me actually close it. I don't need to show you this anymore. Let me go to my final, and let's actually execute the final project. So the final project is a simple tic-tac-toe game that will ask for two different names. So player one is going to be the X. So let's say that I'm the player one. So Rodolfo. Please provide the player two that's going to be the zeros, so the O's. Let's say, I don't know, Han Solo, for example. And he said, okay, Rodolfo, it's your turn. Do you notice how I clear the screen and I draw my board? Okay, this is really important. That's why you need the console clear command. So Rodolfo, it's your turn. Please select your row. Row is going to be, in this case, I put 1, 2, 3 to simplify things. You can actually put coordinates, you can put names or whatever you wanted. I did it like that because I want to parse the input, and it's going to be easy to match in an array. So I just give you a hint, a little bit how I did it. So just to simplify things. So let's say that I want to put my X in the middle. So I need to row number 2. So column number 2. Check when I hit this, my X is drawn there. But do you saw how the board stays at the same place? It looked like I just put an X. I just went there and put an X. What it happened actually, the console was clear, and I just draw my X in there. So now it's Han Solo turn. Let's say Han Solo want to put it in 1, 1. Let's see that I want to put it over here. Let's say in my row 1, column 2, something like that. Let's say that Han Solo want to put it in the same spot I already put it before. So he want to put it in 1, 2, and we have this kind of validation. That place already have an X. Do you saw that player 1 put that X in there? That's case Rodolfo. So it do that validation. That place already have an X. Try it again. Let's try with the 1, 1, 1. So Han Solo didn't jump from turn, so it's still Han Solo turn. It's really important because this input was invalid, and we show that that play was already taken. So this is something really important that your program need to have. So let's another play that is already taken, 1-1, 1-1, that player already have a 0. So the program needs to be smart enough in order to detect when a play is already taken, what value do you have in there, an X or a 0. In this case, it's getting, okay, you already have the X, okay, you already have the 0. It's really important, and it still Han Solo turns because it didn't put a valid option yet. Let's say that Han Solo put, I don't know, 1-3. It should be fine. So I know that I will win if I put 3-2, and that's going to be an easy way to win, but let's complicate things a little bit. Let's select 2-1. Han Solo saw the opportunity and he put it like 2-3. Let's say that I missed the opportunity to win, so let's put 3, row 3, column 1, and Han Solo see the opportunity to win to put it in 3-3. So we put row 3, column 3, boom. Congratulations, Han Solo, you won. Pretty cool, right? Because he detected that he had the 3 different zeros. So it's really important to determine whenever who won and display the name of that particular player. Is something really important. Let's execute the game again. So let's say I'm playing again against Han Solo. It's going to be the revenge. Let's start playing around with 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 2-1, 2-2, 2-3, 3-1. Oh, I went in there. Let's give you my name. Let's try to do the draw. So Rodolfo. So we are tied right now. Han Solo. And let's just play around. Oh, I believe I will win in this situation. 3-2. So it doesn't matter what Han Solo does, I already won. Okay, I'm a really good player. So let's put 3-1, just in case 3-3. I won again with this square. So let's actually just mess around. Let's say Rodolfo. Let's play against Chewbacca. So let's say I select 1, he select this, I select 1-3, he select 2, I select 3-2, he select, let's say it's 2-1, I select 2-3, Chewie will select 3-3, and I select 3-1. Boom. Game draw, well played Rodolfo and Chewbacca. When you draw the game, when nobody won, you still need to print the whole board, how it actually stays, specify that the game was drawn, and print both users' name and exit. But this is what you need to do. Of course, you will using everything that you learned in your semester. You are open to use any technology, well, actually any term. I recommend you to use arrays. I recommend you to use enumerate. If you want to be a little more complicated, use classes. Use the classes. You actually will need several functions in order to print and take the validation, stuff like that. You need to validate the input. I select as row, column. That's not as required. You want to select as coordinate, you can select coordinate, or you want to select column row, you can do column rows too, but you need to specify that to the user. But this is the general dynamic of the program. I will require the CS file only one CS file, no CS project, only one CS file, and I will require uh, the different screenshot for execution when somebody won and when somebody have a draw. I will be checking every point, and something really important, please use the console clear in order to show it like this. So good luck everybody, happy coding.